So this is the unboxing of the Leatherman Arc. So let's have a look. That's empty. Comes with a little warranty book and how to activate your warranty, maintenance, and how to use it. All sorts of instructions on how to use it. So yeah, this is the little carrier case. Interesting. Comes with some screw bits as well, which fits perfectly in here. That's pretty nice. Interesting. So yeah, that's that. And this is all empty, so nothing here. So yeah, this is the Leatherman Arc, as you can see it. It's interesting. Feels very, very, very solid. Very high quality. Everyone's talking about the knife. It's meant to be really good quality. Very sharp. So I don't know how to use this. It's the first time I got this, so I guess it'll take me a while to get used to it and know how to use it. But I've seen people out there using it all with one hand, because this is what it's meant to be. It's meant to be used with one hand. So you open it with one hand, you close it somehow with one hand. But yeah, it has many tools in it. It's a nice little file. It's interesting. The other tools, you can get to them through by pushing down here. So you push this bit here. It's not very easy, but it works. It's really good, actually, really interesting. This is a tiny, tiny screw. Interesting. This is the scissors. They look pretty good. That's a little saw. Looks pretty sharp. Don't know what this one is, to be honest. Maybe it's nothing. Can't close it. Not very good with this, but yeah. This is the screw bit, which comes with all these heads that you can change. It's a little flimsy, but I think it's good. Yeah, it's pretty good. Little bottle opener. And I've also seen people saying this part here can be used as a hammer. So you can hammer things down like that, whether it's tiny nails or whatever. But yeah, this is the Arc, and I think it's a great tool. Quite expensive, but if you can afford it, I think you'll make great use out of it. thanks for watching.